Sofya, and today we're playing with these small putties. Ew! That makes a funny noise. And I made some funny noise too. So let's play with these small little putties. They look funny to me. They look funny to me because they have some small little faces on them. And I seriously like them because they make a funny noise. Look at this. Ew. 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 And ew. Ew. Let me try the other one. Whoa, 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 where are you going? Okay, I just made this. Okay, that didn't make a noise. Ew, that's gross. Okay, that probably is the funny noise. Yeah, that's gross. That's so gross. That's the worst. Look at this body. And table. They even can't. You can't even stretch them out. They seriously rip. Putty. Okay. Put this there. Hello. Let's do it on the other side too. Hello. Oh, that didn't make a noise. Oh, it did. Hello. Oh my goodness, that's the worst thing. Let me do it again. Wait for them. Okay, stay there, mister. Stay there, mister. Okay, let me just put them at the same time. Hello! Okay, that was the worst. Hello! Okay, so now we have some lots of fun playing with these putties. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What are you doing, Sam? Are you pooping in the video? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So now, okay, I got those two guys in there. I'm not sure if I want some of these others that are just over here. They are amazing. They are so glittery. I love them. And wait a minute. Before I put some of these glittery in the next video, I have some slime for you. I'm making them in the next video. Okay. Let me see which one do I want. I'm not sure yet. Okay, if I want a burning slime, I should probably think I want some of these. Okay. Okay, this is too hard. I just think I'm going to leave it. Oh my goodness. I think I'm just going to leave it. And here, I just open it up in just a second. Okay. I just think I just want to put some. Oh my goodness, too much. Let me see, let me put it a bit there. Because I think I don't want. Look at how it is amazing. I don't want to make some glitter. Oh my goodness. It doesn't matter. Okay, get out. That probably made me get all of these glitters out. What just happened to my hands? This doesn't even like glitter. And what is the problem? Oh my goodness, look, if you just look close, you can see the little glitters got into the slime. Now, first I need to clean my hands. Or just do this. Because look at my hands, they are so dirty from the glitter. I'm just taking it from my wrench and dun 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 dun. Now do this. Okay, I just need to get this glitter out of my hand. Okay, too much glitter, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to wash my hands off that because I finished the video. But now I'm not finishing the video, I just started the video. So now, look at this amazing glitter. Just look at this slime, it's amazing. Sorry because I'm saying slime, it's just putties. It's putties, they're not putties. And oh, okay, do you wanna have a turn? I guess he wanna have a turn. Mr. Poopy Slime. Okay, I think this Mr. Poopy Slime wanna have some glitter too. Okay, that was fun. Before I put some glitter in it, I actually wanna clean the table with this. Because I want to have 2 glitters in this little putty over here. I'm not sure if I can. I can use my video so I can put whatever I want in it. Yay! Okay, too much in my. Okay, now I think I want just go glitter by my ear. Now, let me put this glitter back because I don't want to mix them in places. So, I have one of these glitters over here, but I don't want to use that because I have one over here. And it's the same thing because if I open this, then the glitter will go everywhere. So, probably going to use this from the container. And I'm not sure if I want it, so I'm just going to leave it over the side. So, I'm not sure. I think I still want it. This glittery. I'm not putting so much because then it will get everywhere. Actually, everywhere. Okay, too much, and I think I want a different color because it's blue and you can't see the glitter. It's blue and you can't see the glitter. It's blue and you actually can't see this glitter. So I'm putting another glitter because you can't see the glitter because it's just blue and slime is, the putty is blue. So I think I just seen an amazing color. Should I just show you the amazing color? It is this amazing color. I totally like it. That is probably the amazing colors. And you know what is the amazing thing? Some hearts. Some pink hearts. And I have some donuts. Some bees in this little corner, but I can just put it in. I'm just going to roll it. Roll. Oh my goodness, look at, oh look. Oh my goodness, if you just look in here, you can just see the glitter go in it. Okay, that's fun. But I'm still choosing one of these colors because I'm not sure which one to choose because there are so many. So, I think I still want some because I'm not sure because there are too many and I think I want some purple because you can't even see the purple, but I'm not sure if I actually totally even want the purple. I'm just leaving it on the side. But before I still need to play with my blue slime because look what I have on my hand. Just some glitter and it's amazing. So now I think I still want to put some of this purple glitter, if you can see. It has some purple beads, some ore beads. I'm not sure. I better not put so many because then, oh my goodness, I'm making a mess. Okay, let me just leave it over here. I want to see if it's enough. I want to see if it's totally enough. Look at this. Wow. Yay! You can't actually see the glitter. Or maybe if you look closer, you can kind of see it. Let's crunch it up. Okay, you're having fun stretching out there. But first, I need to still mix these guys over here from this corner. Even so much, but it's totally amazing. But first, I want to put some in the lid and make some peeping noise. These slimes are just going to have fun peeping. Wait a minute, tell me which one is better? The blue and purple glittery and the blue slime with some, wait a minute. The blue glitter with rainbow glitter and purple glitter. Tell me down below which one is the better. Or the limbo glitter. Tell me down below which one is the best. I'm just going to mix them up. It doesn't matter. I'm just making glitter everywhere. You want them separated. Okay, that's fun. Let me make some pooping noise. Okay, so I think I still need some of this in this glitter area. I need to get this down a bit because I need to get all of the glitter from the table. And it's going to be totally a limbo glitter party. And I just love this slime. So before I close the video, look at this pony. No. Oh my goodness, the glitter just made everywhere. Okay. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and give me a bye.